Riders, after all your comments, messages and constant support, we finally heard you. And now, Bikester Global is officially in Thane, your one-stop destination for premium riding gears and accessories. Everything a rider needs is now closer than ever. Visit us at Mount Casa, LBS Marg, opposite Bramhala Lake, Thane West. This isn't just a store, it's a hub for every passionate rider. So let me introduce to you the Thane store team, who will always be there to help you in store. We have Hassan as store manager, we have Raj and Shoaib as a store executive. Now the team will take you the tour of the store.
So let's see what we have here. Here we have entire range of helmets. So here we have full face helmet, motocross helmet, half face helmet, modular helmet. So let's move on to the next section. So this section belongs to light, intercom and boots. So here we have wide range of accessories. We have visor shield, balaclava, bungee cord, we got bungee strap, fork seal cover, we got traction pads and etc.
So we have more couple of options in intercoms, helmet clean, BMC air filters we have. This is our luggage system. So we have top boxes, panniers, soft luggages like saddle bags, tail bag. So we have exhaust, we have infotainment systems, knuckle guards. So here we have riding pants, maintenance kits, fog lights, microfiber cloths. We have mobile holders, mirrors, anti-fogs, some more options in lights. So here are the wide range of gloves. Here is the multi-brand jacket section.
So that was an overview of our Thane store. Let me know what's your take on it. So if you haven't visited our Thane store, come and visit and experience it yourself. All the details are mentioned in the description. If you're new to the channel, like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.